When you say the word, I want something, you are actually stopping yourself from getting that. The word want introduces distance between you and your goals. A different way of doing this is to eliminate the word want from your vocabulary and replace it with desire or resonate. When you desire something, you don't have this wanting feeling. It's something that you could have, sure, but it might come, it might not come. You loses that emotional charge of something that you're fawning over. When you say I resonate, it means you resonate at the frequency of that thing, and it cannot help but come to you once you start to resonate at the frequency of that thing. So the word want creates separation. Use desire instead. Bring it to you. If you want to take it a step further, use command. I command this in my life. Instead of saying I want a new car, I command a new car in my life. This puts you in a place of control and immediately draws what you want to you. Remember to follow. Done.